Hello and welcome to another segment with Aras Medical Devices exclusive. Today we will be learning more about the operation, theatre and recovery setup.
Hi, this is Kc Babu. We are talking about the operation theatre setup and the recovery setup. After the operation, we need to have the recovery area. In the recovery area also you need more facilities like oxygen, air, vacuum. But if you are in the operation theatre, you need all the facilities like we need to talk about the oxygen, nitrous oxide. If it is in the delivery, maternity and delivery, you need endinox. Then you need a medical air. Then you got a surgical air. Then vacuum. Then anesthetic gas conveyance system. All this system which is using for the operation theatre. When you are talking about the operation theatre, means you need to have most of the gases is required in the operation theatre, because each gas is requirement is for the oxygen is for the life saving, which is always you should have the oxygen, because in the body you have to have a 98% or 99% of the oxygen to be maintained. That is called a SpO2. That should always they are checking that whether it's oxygen is in the body is there or not. Then you got a nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide actually which you are using for the patient anesthesia, because whenever you are doing operations, that operations painful. Therefore, one way that we are giving anesthesia to get the patient to be anesthetized. Then during the operation, you should not have the pain. But if it is in the delivery or operation theatre, in the delivery area or maternity delivery, you need to have the endinox. It's called oxygen 50%, nitrous oxide 50%. That will give a pain relief. If you are using that, it's called oxygen mixer, oxygen nitrous oxide mixer. Then we got anesthesia, anesthetic gas conveyance system. Conveyance system is very using the anesthesia machine, which is we can connect it to the patient, and you got a oxygen mixer is there, nitrous oxide is there, air, and which is connected to this fluorine, all the equipments, all that it is connected to the instrument. Then you will take the whatever the nitrous oxide you are giving anesthesia, you are taking out and going through this one, it is going to the AGS. That is connection to the outlet, which we are talking about. This AGS outlet is here. That will connect it to. We are taking out from the room and exhaust to outside. After the operation theatre, this is similar setup is which we are talking about the recovery. Recovery also they need all the gases, but majority of the gas is oxygen and air and vacuum. After the operation is finished, we are going to the recovery. Then after the recovery is going to the ward area. This way we are the system is going on. We are providing all the facilities. Our system which we are providing not only that we are doing design, supply, installation, testing, commissioning, handing over, warranty coverage, operation maintenance. Then we are talking about the emergency call out service for the 3 shift, 24 hours coverage, on and off site services. Which means we are providing a 24 hours coverage for the as a turnkey, which we are providing a medical gas infrastructure. Also, we are providing a medical equipment when we are going to do the biomedical equipment, beds and furniture, and laboratory. Laboratory also have the same system, which is dedicated for the laboratory application, which is more is needed for the, like investigations and all those things like forensic labs, pathology labs is needed a gas system that we are providing. Mainly we are providing the gas system. Then we are providing connected associated downstream flow meters and regulators. We are providing that. Then we are providing connected with the gas connection with the equipment. There are so many equipments are to be connected with the gas system that we are providing that equipment. Starting from the A to Z, we are providing that. It means we are the provider for a complete system for the hospitals. Thank you very much.
That brings us to the end of this segment. We will meet next week again with more updates. Till then, this is Ansi Harshil signing off.